What's going on, guys? Heading out today to do an install with Peter and the boys from Curb Appeal. We're doing an install using our EASYJoint, the original all-weather jointing compound. What's great about this is that it's December and there's snow all over the ground. It's perfect for this time of year, getting more jobs in, pushing the season as far as you can go. And don't forget about it for next season, starting your season super early. This stuff goes on soaking wet. It's a perfect product for shoulder season weather. So let's check it out and see what we got going on.